Hello guys, here I am again with another unboxing video. This time I'm going to do the Apple TV. So this is the 4th generation Apple TV with the A8 socket, 32 gigabytes of RAM. I bought this new in 2018 I believe, and I'm very happy with the product. As you can see, Apple always has these very stylish boxes and designs. So we can see here it's Apple TV model A1625, 32 gigabytes. It's a European version, so compatible with HDTV TVs via an HDMI plug. So I'm gonna start and unbox this. Let's see what's inside. Wow. As you can see, you have the Apple TV itself and the shiny remote sitting in the box here. I'm gonna take this. Look at this. It's so beautiful. It's such a nice design. Gonna have some more light here. Oh, look, the front is just like a cube. It's just like the box, but then with the curved edges. The bottom is just one big Apple logo. It's very nice. As you can see on the back, very minimalistic. The power supply is built in, so you just have to plug in a cable to the socket. We have USB-C connection and HDMI, as well as a gigabyte Ethernet port. Look how nice. It's a very subtle, small thing. I'm gonna even weigh it. I have a scale here. Let's even see. It's very light. You can see it's just about 418 grams. So that's light, and it will be very pretty in your living room and your home cinema setup, of course. Then here we have the Apple remote. It's a very nice, stylish remote with a lightning port here. The Apple logo prominently on the back. It has a very nice touch-sensitive pad here. Here you have the button to turn the Apple TV on. Via infrared you can set the volume of the TV louder and less loud. Play, pause. You can even use speech technology or navigate through the menu. Very stylish. I've always keep it near the TV. It's nice. So then we have the box. Here on the right side we have this piece of carton with just the power cable. As you can see, it's a European one. It just plugs in on the back here in this port, so that's very easy. I'm gonna put this back here. Then we have the leaflets in 3 languages. Aan de slag, it's Dutch. Then you have the French one and the German one. Just contains some very basic instructions because it's so easy to set up. So you can just put in the power supply, HDMI, the Ethernet, and then a small explanation on what the remote is doing. So it's a menu. Press this to go back to the previous menu. Siri search, press to search. Play, pause button, the volume buttons. Of course, this is a home button. You can press this to go back to the beginning screen. Press twice to open, to show the opened apps, and you can keep this pressed down to shut down the Apple TV. Also very nice, if you just push on this button, the TV that's connected through HDMI will start up automatically. So that's very nice. Here, just enjoy your Apple TV. Very nice. Then of course we have the obligatory Apple stickers. I have tons of them in the meanwhile, but hey, still nice. Thank you, Apple. And here in the bottom there's a small piece, and you have a normal USB to lightning cable. This is to charge the remote. I can say the battery life of this thing is amazing. I know it doesn't have a display, but if you charge it, it takes like 2 hours, and you can watch TV for months. So that's a very, very good remote. I absolutely love this product. I can't wait for the new version to come out. So let's go see and plug it in. Now we're gonna plug the Apple TV in. As you can see, I already have the 3 cables in place. So first of all, we have the HDMI cable. Gonna plug this in the HDMI port. Then we have the Ethernet cable. I'm gonna put in the Ethernet port. and the power cable is going to go in here. You can see now they're all plugged in, so that's very nice. I'm gonna neatly place this up, and as you can see, the Apple TV is already blinking. Okay, I'm going to give you a quick demo. So here I have the remote. I'm gonna push the home button like this. As you can see, the little light of the iPad is going on and the TV is starting. So that's very nice. You're just sitting on the couch, pressing one button, and here you have the starting menu. You have all kinds of nice features. For example, even the fireplace. So you can just use your TV as a very nice and romantic fireplace. It's nice in the winter or as a background noise when you're reading a book. I can really recommend it. It's a free app. You have different fireplaces, so that's really nice. Also, I'm pushing the menu button to go back. So I'm going back to the home screen. If I double tap the home button, you have the open apps. You can just swipe up like this and you're closing all apps. So you have a Synology app that you can connect to your NAS. You have the VLC app to play all video formats. You can install YouTube app, of course. You can watch Netflix. You have a lot of apps. You have an app store. You can play games. There are a lot of settings. For example, if you go to YouTube, just pressing this button, YouTube is opening. It's very nice. And then you can go to the one and only channel, of course. This one. And here you can see, for example, how to prank your loved ones. Hello guys, as you can see, I'm just filming my laptop. You can press this button, you can easily scroll through, skip to a later time. You can even swipe down and go to the channel, like this. It's very nice. You can go up. You have all the videos, you have all the playlists. So what's not to like? I can really recommend this Apple TV. It's a great feature. If someone would burglar my home and steal it, I would immediately order a new one. I'm not sure about upgrading to the latest one because it's 4K. Yeah, we'll see if it has a lot of advantages to upgrade. But for now, we use this every day. We're very happy with this. It's a great piece of software. Yeah, so I can really recommend it. If you want to shut it down, just keep the home button pressed like this, and it says slumber. You just push, click, and everything turns off. So that's very nice. Also, if you put the volume up or down, it's with infrared on the TV itself. So you don't ever need your TV remote again. It's all in all a very nice solution. The Apple TV is just very pretty sitting there. The remote is in the couch, it's very nice. So if you like this, you can always buy one. If you like the videos, you can always subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day, and until the next one, goodbye.